So if you are short-sighted like I am and sometimes forget to bring your reading glasses, then there's a little trick on the iPhone to make it easier to see text and pictures and stuff. But you go into accessibility here, and if you go into zoom, if you look here, zoom, that's on, and follow focus, that's on. Now if you come back here and let's say you go into Sky News, so let's look here, click three fingers at the same time, and it brings up a little window that you can just then scroll through by pulling a tab at the bottom, and that helps you to just look over some text rather than trying to find your glasses if you haven't got your reading glasses on you. And to get rid of it, you tap 3 fingers and it disappears, and it works anywhere. So if you're just on your phone, you can tap and then you can pull around your zoom, and then to get rid of it, tap with 3 fingers and it's gone. How to save a screenshot as a PDF. So let's say you're on a website, you'd like to save or take a screenshot of a website and save it as a PDF. Here's how you do it. You hold the power button on the top volume rocker, take it, you open up the screenshot, and if you see at the top it says full page, you go to full page, and then you have all the website as a screenshot. You can click on save or share, and it'll ask you to rename, or you can save it or send it. So you can send it via text, save it to file, and it will save as a PDF. And it's as simple as that.